Alright, so anyway, if you go to Rich's site, or his YouTube channel, he's got some really good stuff on there. And one of his things was the rainwater toilet, and what I was talking about was, if you don't, if you, I don't know about your guys' area, but around here, on your water bill where I live, when you use any water in the house, you get obviously a water bill for that, but there's also a sewage bill that's tied into the water bill, and that is based on, what I found out was, which I didn't know, is that it's based on the water bill, how much water usage you have. I guess they figure if you use a lot of water, you're flushing the toilet a lot, you're putting water down the drain, so they got a sewage charge for that based on the volume of water you're using, which kind of makes sense without putting a meter directly on your sewer line. So anyway, Rich had the great idea of using the rainwater for to flush the toilet water, which seems like a great waste of pure water, drinking water in your toilet. So my idea was to have a more reliable source than the rainwater. So I put this 55-gallon drum down in the basement, and then I took the washing machine's line and routed it up in here. Put the plug on this side, left that one in there. This is a 2-inch male threaded male PVC going to 2-inch PVC with a T. And so this, when the washing machine goes on the spin cycle, instead of dumping the water into the sink basin, it dumps it into the 55-gallon drum. And if I'm not around and the drum overflows 55 gallons, it'll just overflow down this pipe and then go back down into the sink, so the stationary tub. So here we got a constant, or fairly constant, supply of 55 gallons of soapy water. And then the next step for me is to use Rich's idea, and what I was going to do is take this on-demand, like they use in campers and stuff, on-demand high flow pump you see me use on other stuff. Take the 12-volt battery, connect it to that, take this little solar panel I got, which was off of a old LED outdoor light, and connect it to that. So I'll run a wire outside from the solar panel to the battery, so that'll charge this little battery. Then the pump's going to sit there and be connected to the toilet's water supply. So every time, and these pumps maintain the household pressure, and so when the toilet gets flushed, the pressure obviously drops in the line, and this pump will turn on, and it'll take the water out of here and fill up the toilet tank, and then the toilet tank ball will go up and shut off, and then this pump will shut off. And so I don't know if I'm going to need to route even rainwater into this or not. I'm just still in the process of setting it up. And then I was just going to come in next to have as little holes as possible, come in next to the fill hose, which I just kind of got shoved around in there right now, and go up with CPVC or PEX and just go up and over to the toilet. And then so you know, the pump would be mounted something like this, and then, you know, right here in between, and pump it over there. So part 2 will be the whole setup. But then you're reclaiming the water that you'd be wasting. You're using dirty, soapy water for the toilet, and so you're going to lower your water bill, and then you're going to lower your sewage usage bill at the same time. Alright, so I'll show you part 2 later.